the situation at Sansada, I'm referring to the biomedical waste which has been collected from the homes of COVID positive patients who are under home isolation. It's being collected on a regular basis, no doubt, and is presently being dumped at a isolated place in at Sansada at the dump yard. But what is disturbing is that this waste had to be further disposed of scientifically, and for that the government had appointed. This is what we learn, is that the government had appointed an agency who was supposed to lift this waste and take it for onward disposal in a scientific manner. But it's very sad to see that this waste is lying there, and equally sad that no much attention is given by the council into verifying why this waste is not being lifted. We see that this council is more engrossed, more involved in working out solutions for the bioremediation contractor. No doubt that is also a part of the thing, but this being infected waste needs to be disposed of scientifically as early as possible, because we have got hundreds of workers who go there. There are dry waste baling is going on, those workers are there. Our regular workers on the trucks, supervisors, hundreds of workers you can say are visit the Sansada when they go to dump the other waste, and there is every likelihood that somebody can get infected with this waste. So for this matter, the council needs to apply its mind, dedicate some time and check out why the contractor has not lifted this biomedical waste, and ensure that this waste is disposed as early as possible.
Sansada, I mean, continuously follow up with the government. We are taking the government to task on each and every assembly in correspondence, Buroyne pasun, in the interest of my people. Muge loka lagon mak koch potta. Ata government mudita ha ki ami clear korita hai. We are following up. Things are moving a bit, but very slow. Ata we expected the government to finish it before the end of this term, at least. कित्याक विजया टायमाचेर दिगंबरा टायमाचेर सगल्यांगे टायमाचेर आतां मायकला टायमाचेर सदां आमी सपोर्ट दिला. आतां मेडिकल वेस्ट पळय हा तो संवसारान उडयला सगलो कोवीड मेडिकल वेस्ट ऑल फ्रॉम साउथ गोवा हॉस्पिटल्स. आजून देखून कांय केलें ना. सो गव्हर्मेंटाक मुगे शिटकावणी, प्लीज टेक एक्शन इमिजिएटली. इफ यू डोंट टेक एक्शन फास्ट, वी विल बी फोर्स्ड टू कम ऑन द रोड and take action, take you to task. So before that happens, because muge loka safety is I need to protect my people. We will not leave any stone unturned to see that our people are protected. So I expect the government in next 3-4 days to take steps to first protect the site, see that there is no spread, and second to dispose it off immediately. Lot of people have died, lot of people have suffered, lot of people are suffering. Even the after effects are there. So before that, government should think about all this and take steps immediately. I have written to the Chief Minister, I have written to the Garbage Minister, I have written to everybody, Health Minister, Soglank, and Dabartopegi action घेवपाक. Action घेना जाल्यार I am warning the government, we will be forced to take you to task. That's it.
खुबसो पडून आसा थंय.
पडपड आसा? ते भरपूर आसा न्ही ते. Sanitary inspector mixed with regular. I tell my sanitary inspector either to put up bit there and to clear it or ask them to collect it.
तुमच्या स्टाफाकूय बी धोको निर्माण जाता तेजे हितून.
कशें आसा तेंची कामां ते बरोबर करता ते. Okay. I'll take. We will instruct. Yeah. I already instructed in the morning. Okay. Sanitary inspector.
आता हे आता कोविडाचे ते हांवें ते कांय नोटीस करूंक ना. I have to take an inspection there. I have to direct the sanitation inspector that what is the problem regarding the problem. So after doing the inspection, I'll direct him to do necessary action on it.
अशें आयकलां की the government has appointed a special agency to lift that COVID garbage which is collected from.
Yeah, I am not aware of that. I am not aware of that. I have to take the market this one's sanitation inspector's direction where what is doing about it. After doing the inspection, then I will direct it.
So meantime तो अपने पडून उरून तो नॉर्मल गार्बेज मिक्स जालो जाल्यार इट कॅन लीड टू हेल्थ हॅजार्ड.
तुमचे जे स्टाफ आसा थंय काम करता तेंकाय बीन तितून कितें नुकसान जावपाक शकता कोवीड
That's that. I was supposed to go today for inspection, but due to I had to visit DMA regarding some personal works. So tomorrow I'll be going there on the site and direct not market, sorry,
Sanitation.
sanitation inspector to take necessary action about it.